Weston Avenue in Lancaster, California. Today you're going to tour a Serrano floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 844 square feet. At Granada Villas Apartment Homes, we do have two different floor plans for the 2-bedroom, 1-bath. I will point out the differences. For the Serrano, you're gonna have your bedrooms and your bathroom on one side, and your living space, dining room, and kitchen on the other side. When the apartment homes are located upstairs, you're gonna have carpet on the bedrooms only and wood-inspired flooring all throughout the rest of the home. When you have it downstairs, you're gonna have flooring all throughout the apartment home, even the bedrooms. So we're gonna walk into the first bedroom. This one is gonna be 11 feet by 11.5 feet. You have your closet here. And then we're gonna walk into the other bedroom, which is right next to it. This is gonna be the master bedroom. On the master bedroom, you have 10.5 by 14 square feet. And then of course, your closet is gonna be a little bit bigger. Let me move back. You have that extra area. And then right across, you're gonna have your bathroom. It's gonna be a tub. This particular unit has a shower, rounded shower rod. Then you have your cabinet space up here above the toilet. I feel like this one has a lot of cabinet space. And then you're gonna have your vanity with the medicine cabinet right there on the right, and your bigger mirror right across. So we're gonna walk to the other side. There's a little hallway right here, and you have 2 closet space here. This is one, they're right next to each other. And the other one, you could hang more clothes here. And then you're gonna have your living space area. And then right across from the living space area, you're gonna have your dining room area. What I love about this particular floor plan is that you have that window on your kitchen, so you get a lot of more natural lighting on here while you're cooking. All our apartment homes are gonna have a dishwasher, a refrigerator, a mounted microwave, and your electric stove. Then you have your balcony or your patio. All our apartment homes come with a balcony and patio, and also you have a storage area outside. All our apartment homes come with central AC and heating. Here is another view of the kitchen and the living space area. If you want more information about our Serrano floor plans, please feel free to log in to our website for more information, or you could also contact the leasing office. All our apartment homes are not included with utilities, but you do have your amenities, which you could look at the other video that I posted about the amenities. So this includes the Serrano floor plan.